What's up, guys? PSYNOS came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one peeps, and we're there with another.
Oh!
Batty boy!
Brand new banger.
Look at this dude. Anyway, Miss PSYNOS, oh yeah, Miss PSYNOS, tell them what we're gonna do today.
Close. No,
Close
I'm
what?
gonna stop. Close swap challenge. Close swap.
So what that mean is, I'm gonna put on for your clothes.
And me I go put on feeling clothes.
Yeah.
So, before we did start the video, we take about 3 outfits each.
Yeah. Come on, tell some the people them can see. Come on, tell some the people them can see. See how we look? Nah, man.
But them see me already.
You know what I mean? And guys, let me throw that out here. Don't look at me.
No, don't judge me.
Don't judge
Well,
me.
don't judge him.
Nah, me don't judge she neither. This are just for fun. Just for fun. And we have some fun, you know what I mean? So look at me PSYNOS in a regular clothes. Yeah, me girl. Yeah.
Clap, clap, clap.
Good as. So who are going to go first, Miss PSYNOS?
You.
Right, I'll tell you. Alright, go and chat to them now. Me go put on for her the clothes that she want me to put on. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna be sexy. I'm gonna look him.
What? Go on, already, now.
I'm gonna look him all over again, although I never mean looking.
What? Where's it?
No.
So which one? Pan one for put on first.
The color one there.
Dip.
They're gonna be a pack of Skittles.
Oh, that's good.
Skittles.
So for the put on this?
Yeah. Come sexy.
Yeah.
You have to take off that. You have to take off your shorts. What is wrong with you? When people
Yeah.
are wear that, when women are wear that, them wear tongue, G-string. You look safe for your back. That's
How
crazy.
about this?
You have to dry up on you.
Bitch, what?
So
Yeah.
for the put on.
Can't wait for you to see. You sing. The one and only. Talamina.
Batty boy! Yeah, what is?
Well on, go back. Yeah, good girl.
Brother. Yeah, what is? Yo, what is?
Yeah.
Guys, I promise I'm not.
Oh!
Batty boy!
Turn on your bum.
What?
If you ever there, man, we in a night, I go rob people.
Bitch, what?
Yeah, but tell me no.
No, oh you look so. Yo, I'm afraid of
Brother,
you.
you're ugly, you know that? If you was a girl, you know ugly. Yeah, what is not
You know no little shape, you know no little nothing. I might turn out.
What you do? Dogs have grown spam in you.
I know say this no much, but
No. And them see. Yes. Yeah, my dogs. Yeah, my dog. Yeah, my dogs. Yeah. It's a thugs. Make them see you. My dog, what your name? Kaish Kain King. No. I don't know what your name. Man,
Kyle.
Kyle. Give them some tuggy move now. Just move like a man now. Yeah. You can't put that good man down. Only if you guys, we're NCD ambassador. We do not promote weed or any form of smoking on the channel. Do not. All of this is just for fun. We're just having fun. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Miss PSYNOS. Come back in that frame when you're ready now. What y'all think about that? She rock it goodie, like a youth, a tuggy. You can't keep on the bottom part, man, and go and rock it in the video. Until you hear
Alright.
and ping them now. Go and chat to them. So my turn now?
Boy.
My turn now? Alright, let's go and stand up right to soon, can go.
Look on your pitney.
Which one now? Which one must try?
This one.
Yo, you know, say, Miss Sinus. Yeah, ramp. Yeah, ramp. So, what put on? After this can't fit me, it's serious little. After
You
this,
try make it fit.
no, fool, you take me for, yo, man, I'm pre me, no?
Yeah, dog.
No, you,
Blocky. It can't fit him.
you can't fit me.
Alright, guys, I have to go find something else. Hold on.
Hold on. Ready? Yo. Baby Sinus. Yeah. What you want?
Because.
Yeah.
Oh!
You know that sexual harassment I could report you. Don't do that to me. Why you do that to me? Oh, but man, I'm ticking. Yo, what you want?
You know favor?
What you want?
A woman in an Encanto.
Jesus Christ, I call me Lisa. Alright, see me here. Bossy. I'm a scabbage. Dog, mother, fowl. Drop, bowl. Let me go. Alright, peeps. Apologize about that, baby Sinus. You don't know the thing, go. Alright? And Miss Sinus time now. So yeah, introducing me dopes. Barrington Levy. Bounty killer. Bombard. Watch. Come back here. Step aside now. Yeah, our bounty. Cross. Hungry. You miserable and ugly. Yo, give the people about 360. I want to get you. Yo, come out yourself. Yo, move like a Molan. Let me change on the camera a little bit. Yeah. Give me some killer move now. Yeah. You move like bounty killer now. Hold on. You don't have no dark glasses. Hold on. You have dark glasses.
Boy!
Hold on. I want to do something now, love. You don't even want to see. I drop you almost drop down. Hold on. Jesus.
No.
No, hold on. Go. Give them something now. Cross. Hungry. Yo, give me the rap now. Yeah. Hi. Say the killer, everybody want killer.
Oh, wow.
Go on, do your thing.
When I do it right?
Yeah, man, you do it right, man. Yeah. Yo, go on. Go on. Be your thing, so go on. Yeah, man, she can't go on, man. The bounty thing. So my turn now. After this, I'll be a
Last close.
The last close now. I'll be your things. No, sir. You know, say, I'm here a coffee on the video. Peeps, as me say, this video is for entertainment reasons only. You know what I mean? Entertainment reasons only. Miss Sinus, you in the frame. You know what I see what I see. Yeah, boy. My time go and chat to people. Miss Sinus. You know, say, my fish, I set them, set me up.
No, so hold on.
You know, say, yeah?
Folded a fight. Sorry.
Which one now, Miss Sinus?
The last one. The one I'm wear for you every night. Using Statious.
What?
Just back. And you don't want to lie down beside.
That now go happen.
Take off this now so them see the fool.
Stop doing that.
Oh!
Take it off now so them see the fool. Your dog.
Oh, the box with this. Hey, I'll be tripping now. But, man, my chest man look like me all have breast. Father God.
Oh!
How the box side this? Yo, hear me I say. Y'all play too much. Yo, stand up on me. Yo, you know say be a thief. Stop do that.
My turn now.
Are you return now?
Yeah.
Alright, let go change.
You don't need to see no more
Your
of you.
peeps a joke. What I make, you know what I mean? All of this is for entertainment reasons, alright? Yeah, we not give more man them lose off.
You
and
wouldn't
them-
know with me.
Yeah, that too. All of this are just entertainment purposes. So,
But
alright, me go change.
this relationship is not entertainment purposes.
Yeah, straight. Let them know. Let them know. It's a serious things. It's a serious things. Well,
So lock him with this, with the whip. This whip. Tonight, you know.
No, I like it. 17,000 shades of blue.
You just turn on and go so.
No.
Oh.
That's gay. That is gay. No, you be tripping. Come in, Miss Sinus time now. God, everything I turn over.
I get married.
Demon, Lucifer. Let him loose. Yeah, for real, you may now kiss the bride. Love your girl. Alright then, peeps. Miss Sinus there change up and thing. Remember if you check out the other video them our channel. How much we do? We go Little Duns River, right?
Yeah.
And we do one next one we may talk about Jamaica and them thing there. And then Miss Sinus do the Yamed. And then what next one we do? We do a phone call one. And then what the last one we do? Miss Sinus. Oh, the slap or fax? Smack or fact challenge. I still believe some road manager and Miss Sinus set up that thing there. For me if you lose and all them thing there. You know what I mean? Yeah, sure, so get the bad man clothes them for it. Hold this stuff and drop that on. No man, drop it on.
You can't drop on.
Yeah man, drop it on man, it have on, just drop it on now youth. Represent for the brand. Yeah. But fetch your load.
Introduce me now.
Introduce the one and only Trevor. Bad boy Trevor.
Put me something.
Boy, yo, my dog, you load a bus. Oh, you go half a cheat, but look like a bad boy. Yo, come on, just. Yeah, you look like a you. Yeah, you know you can pass for your butch though.
Mommy.
Can I pass for your butch, you know? Yo, you could have passed for your butch. Come out there, sir.
You girl. You may talk to you now.
Yeah, my dog. Stop grounds, my dog.
You don't get him love, man.
Sorry, man, you what? What do you think? Could I pass? No, that one you win. We feel that one you win. Look like one of them loader boy out half a tree. Or out a road there, there's a
When
load
they
the bus
can't
them and
catch
all
it.
them thing there. Look
Hold
like
on. Oh, you catch it.
You know? What's that? Flick it. I'm two you catch.
One more time.
One more time. Look at this dude. Ah, yes. And if I done big like Sabina Park already. Osh, come in, Miss Sinus.
Shit.
Come in, Miss Sinus. Well,
Shit.
I eat that, Miss Sinus? Yeah, no more? I think I eat that now. I eat that for now. So, yeah, what do you think? Alright, what do you think for the best outfit is? Yeah, what you do? My best outfit is the last one right there. So,
My
the Miss
best
Sinus.
outfit for him is all of them.
Yeah, you know the craziest one still. Tell me which one is the craziest one.
Sorry.
I'm undead. Coronavirus. I just. Shh. What baby Sinus there? I take Queen. My one is still. The first one still.
What's
First one kind of different.
For you?
Yeah. Which one you like for you? I fool to tell. And the last one still. Last one mad still. Which one? Yeah, that one is kind of mad still.
I like all of yours. The one for me, you know, what me like the vest.
Oh yeah, that one is bad to the bounty killer one. I mean like the last one we beat a while ago. Yeah, them they couldn't go on. But yeah, peeps, Hope you enjoy them video there and thing. It's the swap close swap challenge and thing. Come out and do with them can see, you know. Guys, please remember to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and this is just for entertainment reasons. So big up on yourself. We love you, and we just promise we're gonna keep the content them coming every day.
Alright,
you know what I mean? So we're there. Beside us, you have nothing to tell them?
Oh!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker.